In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva picture quality. If you've ever finished a design in Canva and then downloaded it only to find that it looks blurry, pixelated, or just not as sharp as it did in the editor, you're definitely not alone. This is especially frustrating when you're working on something important like a logo, a banner, or print-ready branding. The good news is that Canva gives you several built-in ways to improve the final quality of your design. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open the Canva project you want to fix. From your Canva homepage, go into your recent designs and open the target canvas in the editor. Before changing any export settings, take a moment to check the quality of the images you originally uploaded. On the left-hand side, click on Uploads and review the files you're using. If the original image is already low quality, compressed, cropped too heavily, or taken from a small screenshot, Canva can't magically turn it into a high-resolution file. Starting with the cleanest possible source image is always the best foundation. Next, if the issue is with a photo, click directly on the image in your design so it becomes selected. Then go to the top toolbar and choose Edit Photo. In the left panel, open the Adjust section. Here, you can make subtle improvements that help the image appear sharper and more defined. Increase clarity slightly to bring out more detail, and raise sharpness just enough to improve the edges. A light touch works best here because pushing these controls too far can make the image look harsh or unnatural. If the blurry element is not a photo, but instead a logo, icon, or shape, there's a better approach. Go to Elements on the left side and search for the graphic you need, adding the word vector to your search. Then switch to the graphics results. Vector style graphics scale much better than standard image files, which means they stay clean and crisp even when enlarged significantly on your canvas. Once your design looks good inside Canva, it's time to fix the export settings. In the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. This is where a lot of quality problems happen, so pay close attention. Select the right file type for your use. PNG is a great option for digital graphics, especially when you want sharp edges and transparency. If you're preparing something for print, choose PDF print instead. Finally, look for the size slider underneath the file type options. Drag it to the right to increase the export resolution. In many cases, doubling or even tripling the size